Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. It's early morning, the world is still asleep. A Roman emperor sits at his desk, candlelight flickers, he opens a worn journal and begins to write. You could leave life right now, let that determine what you do and say and think. That emperor was Marcus Aurelius. He wasn't writing for the world, he was writing for himself. Today we explore why every Stoic writes, and how the art of journaling can become your most powerful tool for clarity, growth, and peace. Let's begin. Part 1. The Legacy of Stoic Journaling. Journaling isn't modern, it's ancient. Marcus wrote Meditations, a private journal of self-reflection. Seneca wrote letters, sharpening his soul while teaching others. Epictetus' students wrote down his lectures to remember, reflect, and internalize. For the Stoics, writing wasn't performance, it was practice. A daily habit to examine life, correct course, and train the mind. As Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Write your thoughts and see which ones are true." Part 2. Why Stoics write the 4 great purposes. 1. To clarify the mind. Thoughts swirl, emotions blur, the mind is noisy. But when you write, you see clearly. You turn vague anxiety into specific insight. You name your fear, you question your anger, you understand your desire. What am I really feeling? What am I avoiding? What virtue am I being called to right now? The page becomes your mirror and your compass. Stogelrook 2. To rehearse virtue. Flarometsum. Stoics don't chase motivation, they train intention. Marcus wrote to himself, not others. Be tolerant with others, strict with yourself. Each morning you can do the same. Today I will practice patience with my team. I may be criticized, I will not react with pride. My goal is progress, not perfection. This is not self-punishment, it's self-alignment. 3. To review and learn. What will I improve tomorrow? Seneca wrote, "When the light has been removed and my wife has fallen silent, I examine my entire day." The Stoic day ends with review. What did I do well? Where did I fall short? What will I improve tomorrow? No shame, no ego, just honest progress. This is how wisdom grows, not in theory, but through daily feedback. 4. To build inner freedom. When you journal, you take your thoughts out of your head and reclaim your mind. You release resentments, fears, regrets. You stop ruminating, you start reflecting, you stop reacting, you start choosing. Writing gives you power over what once had power over you. Part 3. How to journal like a Stoic without overthinking. You don't need to write beautifully, you don't need to write long, you just need to write honestly. 1. Morning intention. 2 to 5 minutes. Ask, what challenges may I face today? What virtue will I carry with me? How can I be useful to others? Keep it simple. Just a few lines can shape your entire day. 2. Evening reflection, 5 to 10 minutes. Ask, did I live today with integrity? Where did I act from fear or impulse? What lesson can I carry forward? You don't judge, you observe, you adjust. 3. Midday reset. Optional. Feeling overwhelmed? Pause. Write for 60 seconds. Here's what I'm feeling. Here's what I can control. Here's my next best step. Journaling becomes a reset button for the soul. Part 4. You don't write to be Stoic. You write to become Stoic. Marcus never meant his words to be read, but they became a mirror for millions. You may never publish your pages, but what you write can reshape how you live, how you think, and how you feel. You write not to sound wise, but to become more awake, more disciplined, more at peace. Part 5. quotes to carry into your notebook. If you wish to be a writer, write, Epictetus. Each day provides its own gifts, Marcus Aurelius. Self-examination is the soul's nourishment, Seneca. Every day is a lesson. Journaling makes sure you don't miss it. Conclusion. Write your way into wisdom. You already have everything you need, but sometimes the mind forgets. The heart gets cloudy, the soul gets tired. That's why we write, to remember, to reset, to return to who we are and who we're becoming. So tonight, tomorrow, or right now, pick up a pen, open a page, and meet yourself. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this video inspired you to start or return to journaling, like, subscribe, and share it with someone on the path of inner growth. And until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.